মিলট আমি মিতালি শিকদার কোনো এফআইআর করতে চাই না বা আইনি পদক্ষেপ করতে চাই না।
I'll reply. Let him finish.
এখনো আমি ওর সঙ্গে এক বাড়িতে বসে বসে ভরসা
Twice
করে উঠতে পারছি।
he has approached
She
us
lodged a
twice.
complaint. Listen. Thereafter, what happened? She again informed his house, but because of the behavior of the husband, she is not getting that confidence to stay with the husband.
Lordship, let me tell the actual state of affairs. Wishing in anguish, I'm the read petitioner, mother, and the unfortunate wife. Lordship, kindly see the short list of dates that will coupled with the documents, and I'm filing
What
the
a report,
it has
Mr.
already.
Ghosh?
I have got two reports, my lord.
Yes.
One from the Netaji Nagar police station.
Immediate service
Speaks
taken in
about that while her husband was availing in rickshaw with her both child, he was under the influence of alcohol and unable to control her child. This is the first report. Second report, my lord. This is from the women's cell of Patuli, where it is categorically stated, even if your lordship kindly comes to page 34 of the writ application, my lord.
Yes.
The last line. The main allegation is that the husband of the petitioner is a drunkard. আমি এই মুহূর্তে কোনো এফআইআর করতে চাই না বা আইনি পদক্ষেপ করতে চাই না, and that also reflects in my two reports, my lord. একটু দেবেন. Your lordship kindly comes to the first annexure, my lord. The officer in charge, Patuli, মহিলা থানা, দুই বাচ্চা সহ থাকছি, এই মুহূর্তে স্বামীর বিরুদ্ধে অভিযোগ নেই।
This was lodged when
This was
page
lodged
20,
in
page 27.
20, my lord. It's in,
He has come against 27 only.
my lord. It has lodged in 2020, I think, my lord.
Page number 27, P7.
When was
It's also there in my second
I have
annexure.
seen that. This is 9/8/2020.
My lord. Here also, in my annexure also, the same statement reflects, my lord. আমি মিতালি শিকদার কোনো এফআইআর করতে চাই না বা আইনি পদক্ষেপ করতে চাই না।
I'll reply. Let him finish.
এখনো আমি ওর সঙ্গে এক বাড়িতে বসে বসে ভরসা করে উঠতে পারছি।
He has approached us twice.
9/8 she lodged a complaint. Listen. Thereafter, what happened? She again informed the police station that she is staying at her mother's house, but because of the behavior of the husband, she is not getting that confidence to stay with the husband.
Lordship, let me tell the actual state of affairs. Lordship, know what is the codicil in a will. Those 4 or 5 lines in Thana or police station, what happens? Everything written, 5 or 6, 7 pages complaint, coupled with that 4 lines, Lordship understands very well the purport of those lines. Not to take the complaint. Lordship, kindly see, Lordship, kindly.
Wait, what is your
My property, my flat is in Patuli. I have purchased, I am giving the EMI. Both the sons born out of IVF outcome of a late marriage. The lady is here due to the request of the husband, and now the true color is revealing.
What are you wanting? I will give maintenance. I will give the what?
Lordship, I want to stay in my flat where he is in a drunken condition.
PWDV residential accommodation under the proper provision.
Lordship, coupled with that, he is coming and taking the child that I have the right as a father. Oh, everything is coupled, and police is doing nothing.
Custody also permitted under the PWDV
Lordship,
Act.
everything can.
Why do you bring such clients to High Court?
Lordship,
and force the High Court to take a decision when a specific court is there?
Lordship, that is time consuming. Lordship, kindly protect me. I will file all these things.
Lordship, I can't say that, sir. Legislature have come up with specific provisions of law, right of residence, custody. What will it court do over here?
Lordship, when he is coming day and night to take the child, Lordship, kindly see the photo. Lordship, kindly see the photographs. Lordship, kindly see the photographs.
On photographs, we can decide a case. I am granting you liberty. Go before the appropriate.
And give me some protection till that.
I am not inclined or eager to take
Lordship,
any steps against my husband.
Police inaction, read code is such a power which the landed trial court not in an effective and speedy manner. Lordship, kindly protect me. I will file within 2 days. I will file within 2 days. Kindly give me protection for that, for these toddlers. 2020 born. The father is coming and taking, and in the highway he is living in a drunken condition. I would not be protected by your lordship till that day. Whenever I am taking the recourse of law.
You are taking a recourse of law. You are before the police authority. Who will help you? Tell me.
Police authority.
The police, before the police, why are you not saying this thing? You are saying I have no complaint against the husband.
Lordship, it has been written by at their request that if you don't write, I will not take the GD.
Imaginary, my lord.
Lordship,
Every day,
Lordship, imagine
outside the-
5 or 6 pages complaint, a coupled with 4 lines. Lordship,
Absolutely baseless allegation.
If baseless, then the owners of the flat kindly see the last complaint. The owners of the flat lodge the complaint and the person is with knife in a drunken condition.
About making
Kindly
some
see the
nuisance.
photograph.
Sir,
Kindly see the photograph.
Then let the
Lordship,
court not
kindly
decide
protect
you go to the appropriate.
appropriate forum with some protection. Lordship, with some protection. I will within 2 days. I will file.
You are creating unnecessarily. You are creating jurisdiction of this court. Court runs on emotions.
No, Lordship. But I have
What you are trying to create, sir.
Lordship, Article 20.
There is a law, specific statute. You will not advise the client.
Lordship, today.
You, on emotions, you will come before the High Court. Why have you come before the High Court? When a specific statute, had there been a failure of residential accommodation prayer before the magistrate, I could have understood. There is nothing which you have done.
Lordship,
Custody of the child, nothing you have done.
I have
Fighting.
no
So
case.
long advice, court will not cover up. Absolute matrimonial dispute.
Lordship, the toddlers would be infected by their fathers.
Again, emotions, sir.
Lordship, kindly.
Again, emotions, sir.
So without emotion, Lordship, we are not human being, Lordship.
To go before the appropriate court.
I
sir.
will. For 2 days or 3 days, kindly give me the protection from your Lordship.
What protection?
And dispose of the matter
What
accordingly.
protection?
I
What-
will take the recourse. But you know, Lordship, whenever I go to the Alipur court, that would not give me speedy redressal. Identity I have to move. Kindly give me some relief, some respite,
I don't know. I'm granting you liberty to move the concerned jurisdiction.
and protection from that drunken father.
Father,
From-
both are natural parents, my lord.
He is not taking. I am assistant teacher.
cannot-
I am giving the EMI, and I am ousted. I am ousted.
Specific
Lordship,
order.
kindly 2 or 3 days protection would not give the jurisdiction, but I would be the.
Sir, the records against me speak something which can't compel me to pass an order. Had there been any injury inflicted, any medical report, I would.
Lordship, I have. The Bahajodi State Hospital's report is there. The child, page 27, Lordship, 28. Kindly,
Why don't you go under 498, sir?
Lord-
You will not go before the appropriate forum.
Lordship, everything I would do, kindly give me 2 or 3 days so that I can invoke. I have no jurisdiction. That is your Lordship. Can alternative efficacious remedy is not there. Read jurisdiction comes there. And without emotion.
The whole of this is your client's only problem, or other ladies in the state are also facing.
Lordship, I am
similar problems.
representing, espousing my client's cause. I can't tell, but I have the
But,
ingredient,
so
Lordship.
Then I cannot take. use
Lordship,
of the
kindly 2 or 3 days protection, Lordship.
under which law? Tell me.
Lordship, under the
Under-
Constitution, Article 21, my right to life.
Right to lie. If police will go, I don't understand.
If that person comes and say, I am the
Your
father.
husband is coming. He has got a right under the law. You to take the child. How will a court of law prevent that? Tell
Lordship,
me, husband is a natural guardian of the child, yes or no?
that is the problem, Lordship. We were seeing the special, unique circumstances of the case. If you, Lordship, can't invoke 2 or 3 days protection,
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Go
as your
before the
Lordship please.
appropriate court.
As your Lordship please.
I am directing the court of that if you approach the court in 15 days, interim measures be disposed of within a week from the date of filing of the application.
Deeply
Interim
obliged.
measures.
Deeply obliged.
If your lordship kindly comes to page 30.
No more, sir. No more.
Fine,
Enough.
fine,
of this
fine,
matter. Petitioner submits that she is aggrieved by the conduct of her husband, for which she has complained with the police authorities, but still she apprehends that she may suffer because of the act and actions of the husband so far as the child is concerned, and she is unable to enter the flat for which she is paying the monthly installments to the financer. So circumstances are such that the petitioner cannot stay with her child at
Children,
her
Lordship.
own residence flat.
Children, Lordship.
Two children.
Two in IVF,
Two
two in.
children. At her own flat, and is staying with her mother. So the report submitted by the state reflects that certain communications were made lastly on 14th of August 2020.
There is 13th October, Lordship, another one, by the co-flat owners. That is the last annexure, last but one. Annexure 6 or 7.
তো 2020 মামলা
13-10-2024 একটা কমপ্লেন্ট আছে, আদার কো ওনার করেছেন। ড্রাঙ্কেন কন্ডিশনে ছোড়া নিয়ে ঘুরছে, তার ছবি দিয়েছি ওই ফ্ল্যাটেতে। 13-10-2024, নট 20।
But you don't want to register a case, sir.
লর্ডশিপ আমার কাছে রিসেন্টলি এসছেন, আমি সেটা
And
এক্ষুনি করবো।
I am not pointing out the litigant must be courageous enough to do litigation. Otherwise,
Lordship,
how will anyway?
I'll take care of that.
Learned advocate A to for the petitioner to that effect submits that a general diary entry was lodged with the police station on 13th of October 2024. Be that as it may, the dispute and difference between the petitioner and the private respondent arise out of a matrimonial discord. Full stop. Petitioner is apprehensive and aggrieved, both for the two children as well as the flat in issue which she has purchased. Full stop. Petitioner would be at liberty to approach the jurisdictional court under the relevant provisions of PWODV Act 2005, both for residential right as well as custody and protection of the children. There are other reliefs so far as protection of the lady herself is concerned under the Act, including maintenance, costs, medical expenses, etc. Petitioner, learned advocate submits that such an application would be preferred under Section 12 of PWODV Act with specific reliefs. If such an application is preferred before the jurisdictional court as an interim measure, the learned court would try to dispose of the interim prayers within a period of 10 days from the date of filing of such application. With the aforesaid observations, WPA